And here is this wonderful clock. It is, I believe, handmade by a German craft maker. Here is the beautiful bird's eye front. It does not have a crystal. Not sure if that is because it didn't have one or made not to have one. This latches. Anyways, beautiful bird's eye wood. And now I'll move to the other side. Here we go. That's the back hatch. And here's the inside. Okay. Now, you had asked me to close up on something, and I don't remember what it is, but hopefully I'll get the part in here that you are interested in. Down here, and there's a paper, and that paper has a pendulum in it. There's a lot of plaster down below, and I can't see any markings in here. Hope this helps.